Hey, what's up, guys? It's Finn, doing something a little bit different today. Uh, if you guys ever had a bad day and you guys are able to go out to relax and clear your mind, I highly suggest you guys take a visit to the woods, because there's nothing better, than no better therapy, I should say, than taking a walk in the woods and just seeing what nature is up to. You know, um, this is what we're doing today. A little different video than normal. Doesn't involve no fish. I may talk a couple things about hunting, but I'm just gonna go for a walk today and just enjoy it. So bear with me, and let's just go hang out for a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare the Black Magic Rack Rock, which is from Pakistan, to the Trophy Rock, which is right here in the United States, mined in the United States. And I'm gonna put them out and see which one gets the most hits. So I won't know until I'll probably check it in a month. So let's go do a little bit of exploring, maybe find a shed. I always say that, but I never find one. I've only found one out here, and it was a broken off spike. But I was having a bad day that day. My truck got stuck. Ford Explorer. I'll never buy a Ford again. So just out here enjoying nature and see if we can find any signs and see how the paths are doing. I can see that they've been using this real heavy right here. Real heavy through here. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to keep my minerals in the same spot I've put them at in the past seasons. So right now I'm going to put this trophy rock right here in my mineral spot that I always place them at. It's kind of so the deer just, they know, they'll naturally go there, and don't have to put it in like 10 different spots, and they're like, okay, well, we got to get used to a different spot, because they'll get comfortable, as long as you don't put no pressure on that spot, you'll be fine. I got a camera way down there that will take pictures, and let's get to it. Now I know I'm not wearing no gloves. It's my fault, but it's March, and it's no biggie. No biggie. Now when it gets time to when it gets like September, then yes, I suggest wearing gloves and wearing rubber boots, and bringing some spray with it to spray your scent down, spray the area, like whatever you touch. It's alright. Put the trophy rock right there, and we're gonna go in the back and put the rack rock back there, because I put one back there this past season. So I'm gonna put it in that general area, but I'm gonna put it in front of a camera. So we'll head out that way. Here's a herd of deer. Crossing over there. They see me. This time of year, it's alright. They'll be back over here today, checking out this rock. Nice herd. got that one right here. Got the camera right there. And guys, if you have the capability of getting out and going for a walk just to clear your mind and enjoy nature, and even get a chance to see wildlife like I just did, that instantly clears my mind. But this is kind of, I'm just showing you guys what I do in my spare time when when I need it. So I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I know it's nothing great, but it's just something that I do to just to enjoy nature, to enjoy creation. So appreciate it, and you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.